Hi ladies and gentlemen, and I say gentlemen, and I'll let you know the reason why. I was an esthetician for 20 years, so I'm a skincare fanatic. But I'm gonna be 55 years old this summer, and as we get older, our skin thins, so my skin was like this. I'm not kidding you. I have been dealing with this crepey skin, and it's dry and it's itchy. So I was on a mission to just try all these different crepey skin products. Well, I stopped. 8 weeks, I've been putting it on my chest, I've been putting it on my neck. I have seen an 80% difference. It's called InvisiCrepe Body Balm by City Beauty. It is amazing. You can see it's just really light and fluffy. I put it all over my body, and throughout the day, I'll put it on my arms, on my hands. So now I don't feel so bad wearing tank tops and I wanna show off my décolleté. I don't have this crepey skin hanging, so if I reach up or I do something, it's all smooth. And the reason why I said gentlemen is because my dad is 87, using it, in love with it, and even he has seen a huge difference. So start using InvisiCrepe Body Balm so you can get your skin back to its youthful shape, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.